Oh, absolutely disgusting.
Fresh bottle of Jägermeister.
No. We can have one inside here. We must clean it up. We clean the glasses. Whew. Oh. Let's have a nice
Fill
one.
it to the brim.
To the brim. No, it's too much. You're gonna freaking vomit.
You can pour mine to the brim, I can take it.
Oh, this stuff is crazy. Let's have another Jaggies. This tastes like medicine.
No.
Well, let's go for it. Let's clean the glasses. There you go. Cheers. Oh. You know, even the second one, just to clean the glasses.
It was worse, I think.
Down the throat.